It's still 5/20/21. Quick update. Let me take you back to earlier today.
Guys, I think this is a little too heavy duty for this step here. One, and two, the angle grinder is smoking on me already. Let me make sure it's not me. 1 second. Watch this. The button doesn't have to hold it to. You see the smoke? Yeah, I'm not gonna. That's it for this. Wow.
Prior to this video, I plugged in the angle grinder and a red flame came out of nowhere along with some smoke. So now I'm just giving it a second chance. And at this time, it's not even coming on. So I hope to take it back to the store, get my money back or a credit. I'm not taking a shot at the brand. The orbital sander worked well. So did the hammer drill. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys take care. Bye.